Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel, Have Neat Home. I am Kay Patterson, professional organizer and cleaning home enthusiast. And it is January 2018. We got through 2017. Yay! I want to say a quick thank you for all of you who subscribed to me last year. I had so much fun on YouTube last year and allowing me to take a little break from putting out videos between Christmas and now. I had a nice time just relaxing, resting, playing a lot of The Sims, and just wearing a lot of pajamas. It is January, it's a new year, and it's time to make some changes, or I don't really do resolutions, I do goals. I don't know if anyone's told you, but January is National Get Organized Month. So I want to be putting out videos all month long, giving you extra motivation to get organized in your home, your life, your office, wherever you're having trouble staying organized. And I just want to begin by giving you guys a little bit of a mindset motivation before you actually start doing anything. If any part of your home has been bothering you, or if your whole home has been bothering you, just take some deep breaths and just start with these steps. So in order to solve problems with organization in your home, you're gonna have to figure out exactly what the problems are. And so ask yourself, which area of the home is bothering you and why? A lot of people have different reasons for the way that disorganized spots in their home bother them. Some people can't find items. Some people just get stressed out by the look of like if it's messy, it stresses them out. Or sometimes there's just general disorganization and there's no homes for anything, and there's a bunch of stuff just shoved in a space, and sometimes that stresses people out. Try to identify a really specific reason why an area is starting to stress you out a little bit. Then the next step is to sort of think about an ideal situation for that area. Like, how would you actually like it to look? What are your actual goals for that space? Are your goals for that space to actually be able to find the items that you're looking for in that space? Is your goal for that space to be more attractive? Is the goal for that space to be more functional? Just really get a really laser mindset on what your actual goals are for the space. After you've narrowed these two things down, like what stresses you out about it and how you would like it to function, it's easier to solve problems that way. It's easier to find, organizing solutions or systems to set it up so that you can set yourself up for success. Another thing you can do to make it a lot easier for yourself is to just be yourself. Not every organizing system is going to work the same for everyone. Some people need to see it all. If they don't see it, they forget about it. So they need to have everything at visual, like right in front of you. I am sort of a similar type of person. If I cannot see everything right there, I forget sometimes about things. So I either have things either right out there where you can see them, or I'm really, really, really liberal about using labels. So another way you can sort of solve your problem in a way that's gonna work for you is to sort of know how you're going to behave. And also ask yourself, when you set up the system, are you going to be able to realistically keep up the system? Sure, you could have a professional organizer come over for you, set up some really sophisticated, beautiful system. But if you can't maintain this system, there's gonna be problems. Let's talk about my entryway in my apartment there. So we take our shoes off when we come into the apartment. Sometimes we take, especially now when it's winter and there's a lot of salt and stuff on the roads, I usually take my shoes off before I come into the apartment because I don't want to track salt and snow all into the apartment floor. And I, at first, was gonna set up a system where I put all of the shoes in our coat closet, but that realistically is not gonna work for us. That extra step of actually opening the closet door, placing the shoes inside neatly, that really didn't work for us. It just was one extra step, and we knew ourselves. Not because we were too lazy to do it, or it just wasn't realistically, we probably could keep it up, but honestly, I asked myself, I'm do I want to do that extra step every time? No. So we got a mat, by our closet door. We can place the shoes right on the mat. Don't have to open a door, don't have to do anything crazy. Sometimes if we're in a hurry, you just throw them on there. They look a little bit messy. Sometimes throughout the day I'll go and like neaten the shoes. And especially now with the boots, sometimes I'll go and I'll actually put the boots in the closet if I don't want to look at them. But a temporary solution, I find this is gonna work for us. Just the mat outside the door and it's totally fine, works. You don't have to do something that's not gonna work for you. You know yourself better than anyone else knows you. So ask yourself, am I gonna be realistically able to maintain this organizing system? If the answer is, yeah, it looks nice, but no, get another solution. If the answer is, yeah, that's easy, I can do it, go for it. Make it easy for yourself. Don't make it hard, make it easy for yourself. Putting things away should be like so easy you can do it with your eyes closed. And on that, you wanna set realistic goals. If having your house look perfectly neat all the time is a goal of yours, I mean, totally go for it. I mean, I think that's like a really admirable goal. I think my home looks neat about 90% of the time, but having it look perfect like 100% of the time for us is not really realistic. And this goes back to the one of the tea talks I did. I have to start doing this again. One of those tea talks I did, which is what is clutter? Clutter is pretty much, in my opinion, in the eye of the beholder. And some of my spaces, I think on some videos, though, you know, some people come in and said, oh, that looks really cluttered. And I'm like, well, it might look cluttered to you, but it works for us. So do what works for you. And the last bit of advice I have when organizing your space or trying to get organized is please be kind to yourself and give yourself a break. A lot of being organized in your home is a lot about habits and less about like, you know, cute little organizing solutions, even though I really love those. It's a lot about habits. Give yourself time to establish good habits and give yourself a break when you don't actually like get it perfectly right, like in 2 weeks or whatever. Give yourself time, establish those habits. If you find yourself not able to establish those habits, then maybe the solution is the wrong one. So go back to square one, think about it over again, and I know you'll get there. Okay guys, I hope that inspired you to get organized, so start to get organized. You can just do one step at a time. You don't have to do it all at once, no matter what Marie Kondo says, you know. I think doing one space at a time is perfectly realistic. I think all January we can all work together and organize our entire houses. So I want to challenge you guys to organize areas in your home that are stressing you out or looking really, really messy and you want to get them into order for the new year. It's the new year. Let's like get a new thing going. So I'd love to see some before and after pictures over on the Facebook group page. I will put the link down below in the description. It is a private group, so you'll need to get approved to get in, but I approve almost everyone because it doesn't look like anybody spammy or sketchy in the group so far. Please post your before and after pictures of your organized spaces. I would love to see them. Tag me on Twitter if you do it on Twitter there. If you Instagram, I'd love to see it all over. Tweet me your before and after photos and we will all like celebrate you together. All right, you guys, Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Stay neat.